Hi everyone, welcome to another weekly video. This week we're going to be showing you how to use the copy function on CareForIT. Keep watching for a video tutorial on this. Within the list view, you can also copy your completed rota. Go to Rota, List View, select the dates you wish to copy your rota over to and click Get Assignments. Click Auto Allocate, then Copy to begin copying your rota. The copy function allows you to copy a previously created rota to the current week. You can copy a rota from up to 4 weeks ago. We advise you to copy your rota over day by day. Once completed, you will be asked to confirm that you are happy, and once you have clicked confirm, the visits will show as allocated on your rota. You will need to complete this for each day in turn. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and follow all our social media platforms.